Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this makeup look using the Tarte Clay Play Palette that some of us received in this month's Boxy Lux. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Okay, so I did do my hair using the wand that we did receive. I just touched it up from yesterday because I did this. So as you can see, this is what the back looks like. And this time, I did all the curls facing outward. I did upload another video. It's a more dramatic eye look, so if you want to see that, I will be posting that video. I've already tried to upload it, but for some reason it just keeps erroring, so I don't know exactly why that is. Okay, so let's get right into this. And I'm going to be using a big fluffy brush, which is my Morphe 505. I really need to wash my brushes. It's kind of sad. And I'm going to take the color Journey. This is just going to be like a more everyday look. And in that video, I also showed you that you can use this palette to actually shade in your eyebrows as well. So you can use this palette to shade in your eyebrows. You don't have to go in with different products. So what I do, I hold it at the end of the barrel. I lightly dab it in there. And you want to use a really, really light hand to do this. Just barely getting it in there. Like so. But then we're going to do the other side. Okay, so you just keep doing this. And let me get a little closer so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So you see how pretty that is? It just gives a little more depth into your eyes, and it's not anything that's like overpowering or anything. And I'm going to get it's kind of like a fluffy brush, but I'm going to use it as a packing brush. This color Sand. And I'm going to just place this on the eyelid right here. And then I'm going to go back in with this brush. I don't know if this one has a name. Okay, this brush was the Luxie 209 brush, if you're wondering. So I'm just going right on top of that with no extra product, just to kind of blend it in together, like so. And then I'm just going to add some mascara to complete this. But I will also show you how to bronze your face as well. So mascara. Okay, and I'm just going to let that coat dry, and just in case you're wondering, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I hate saying that. I'm like, why did you have to name it out of all things? Okay, so we are done with that. So now it's time for contouring. I'm going to use the Moda brush, and it is MBX 130. And I'm going to start out with the deeper. No, actually, I don't really want to contour that deep. I'm just going to more bronze and contour. Unless you guys, I don't know, do you guys want me to do that? Maybe next time, if you guys want me to show you. I did show how to use this one in the other makeup tutorial just because it was a little more dramatic. But today I don't want it to be so dramatic. I want it to be like an everyday, like kind of like no makeup look. So I'm just going to do a really light hand and go halfway. So it'll be nice and pretty. See, it just gives a little more depth. And this is the shade Desert. And then I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to place it on top of my forehead. I don't know what's up with the color right now. There it goes. So just kind of place it right here. Really light hand, blending it in. Like you want it to be like barely touching your skin. And I like this shade because it has a kind of like a gray undertone, so it's really good for contouring and bronzing. And then I'm going to contour the bottom of my neck right through here. So you just want to push your teeth out if you want to be able to get it without going crazy. So you see how nice that looks? It looks so much better. And then I'm going to contour my nose a little. Not too much. We're not going crazy here. Let's make it look a little slimmer. So I'm using the Luxie, I know this is a Luxie, 250 large eye blending brush. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm. Most of these brushes I did get out of my BoxyCharm boxes, just in case you're wondering. Really light hand, going straight down. We're just creating shadows. Like so. Okay, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to take it underneath my lip. It just makes your lips look a little more pouty. Okay, and then I'm going to take a blush brush and I'm going to take this shade that is called Make Them Blush 18, and it's a Hush Blush by Pretty Vulgar. And I'm just going to lightly tap it and then tap it off. And just in case you're wondering, for foundation I use the Milani 2-in-1 foundation concealer in the shade Creamy Vanilla. And then for my brows I use the Brow Gal. I use my Laura Mercier setting powder and the Brow Gal for my brows. And that's all that I have on my face other than what I've shown you. Okay, so that completes that, and I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of the Gilded Honey, and this is by Laura Geller. I'm going to use a little taper brush, my setting spray, squirt a little squirt, put this in there, and I'm just going to highlight the corner of my eye. And it just kind of makes it pop out a little more. And then I'm also going to do my brow bone. It just kind of lifts your eye by doing that. So we do both sides. I don't know, like sometimes my voice sounds so deep, like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Okay, so I'm done with all that. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face as well. And all this does is it makes your face not look powdery. Because who wants a powdery looking face? Just dry it. And then for my lips, I'm going to use the Alouette. And you can use this as a blush or as a lipstick. And I just use a very, very little dot. And I'm going to shear it out on my lips. See, it just makes them look a little pinky. I love this product. And this thing has lasted me forever. A little goes a long way, and it really does look good on the cheeks as well. So this is what the makeup looks like up close so that you guys can see. Because I know the camera's kind of far away. I really enjoy this makeup look. This is like my go-to almost everyday makeup look just because it is so easy and I can be out the door. I have 4 kids, so that's why sometimes you can hear kids in the background, and I do apologize for that, but I do my best to try to keep them occupied while I'm recording, but it doesn't always work, so bear with me. And yeah, so that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Love you guys. God bless.